Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a 9:16 project in Canva and importing your assets. This ensures the video fits phone screens. Once your clips and script are in, trim to the core idea. Think 15 to 30 seconds for maximum retention. Make sure to name scenes clearly so you can reorder fast. If you have Canva Pro, enable stock footage and remove backgrounds now to save editing time later. Begin building your first scene immediately, focusing on a strong hook in the opening second. Next, edit with pacing in mind. Use shortcuts from 0.5 to 2 seconds and trim dead air to keep viewers watching. Once done, add bold on-screen text for your hook and supporting captions for clarity. Make sure text contrasts with background. Use Canva's timeline to sync cuts to beats and lower music to around -6 decibels so speech stays clear. Also, add branded colors and a concise call to action in the final frames to convert views into follows or clicks. Finally, export as MP4 at 1080 by 1920 and choose 24 to 30 frames per second with H.264 for compatibility. Once exported, upload to YouTube Shorts, add a clear title, 1 to 2 relevant hashtags, and a bright thumbnail that reads at small sizes. If the file looks blurry or audio is out of sync, re-export with a higher bitrate or remap audio in Canva's timeline and test locally before uploading. If upload fails, retry with a different browser or clear cache and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.